This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make jelly flan with fudge bar. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready. You will need approximately 10 pieces of chocolate fudge bars, 1 box of unflavored gelatin, and 1 can each of evaporated and condensed milk. Don't forget 4 large eggs, 1 cup of water, and about 1/2 cup of sugar for the delicious caramel base. This unique dessert combines rich chocolate with creamy flan and a jiggly jelly top. To begin, carefully unwrap approximately 10 chocolate fudge bars. Arrange these bars snugly at the bottom of your chosen mold, ensuring they cover the entire surface. Gently press them down with the back of a spoon or your fingers to create a compact and even layer. This forms the delightful chocolate base that will complement the creamy flan perfectly. It's a simple yet crucial step for a stable and flavorful foundation. Next, prepare your caramel by melting about 1/2 cup of sugar in a pan until golden brown, then pour it into your mold. In a separate bowl, whisk together 4 egg yolks, 1 can of evaporated milk, and 1 can of condensed milk until smooth. Carefully pour this creamy flan mixture over the fudge bar base. Steam the flan for approximately 30 to 45 minutes, or until it is perfectly set and firm to the touch. Once the flan has cooled slightly, prepare the jelly topping. Dissolve 1 box of unflavored gelatin in 1 cup of hot water, stirring until completely clear. Carefully pour this gelatin mixture over the set flan layer, ensuring an even coating. Refrigerate the entire dessert for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow all layers to firm up. When ready to serve, gently invert the mold onto a plate and slice into generous portions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.